Learning basic cooking skills is a valuable and rewarding endeavor that can help you become more confident and independent in the kitchen. Here are 5 essential cooking skills to get you started. 1. Knife skills. Learn how to properly hold and use a chef's knife for chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients. Practice basic knife cuts such as julienne, dice, mince, and chiffonade. Master knife safety techniques to prevent accidents and injuries. 2. Cooking methods. Familiarize yourself with common cooking methods such as sautéing, boiling, steaming, roasting, and baking. Understand how different cooking methods affect the flavor, texture, and nutritional content of food. Experiment with various cooking techniques to develop your culinary skills and creativity. 3. Seasoning and flavoring. Learn how to season and flavor dishes using herbs, spices, aromatics, and condiments. Understand the role of salt, pepper, acids, such as lemon juice or vinegar, and fats, such as butter or olive oil, in enhancing flavor. Experiment with different flavor combinations to create well-balanced and delicious meals. 4. Ingredient selection and preparation. Learn how to select and prepare fresh ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, and dairy products. Understand how to properly store and handle ingredients to maintain freshness and safety. Practice basic food preparation techniques such as washing, peeling, trimming, and marinating ingredients. 5. Recipe reading and adaptation. Develop the ability to read and understand recipes, including ingredient lists, measurements, and cooking instructions. Learn how to adapt recipes based on dietary preferences, ingredient availability, and personal taste. Experiment with modifying recipes to create new dishes or accommodate special dietary needs. Tips for learning. Start with simple recipes and gradually challenge yourself with more complex dishes as you gain confidence and experience. Watch cooking tutorials, demonstrations, and online videos to learn new techniques and cooking tips. Practice cooking regularly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning from trial and error is an important part of the process. Keep an open mind and be willing to experiment with different ingredients, flavors, and cuisines to broaden your culinary repertoire. By mastering these basic cooking skills and techniques, you'll be well equipped to prepare a wide range of delicious and nutritious meals at home. Enjoy the process of learning and exploring the art of cooking.